What is good? What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay, Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. How you? What's goody? What's good, guys? Another beautiful day. It's Thursday, so you guys know what it is. Tomorrow is a TCP payday, aka the Conversion Pros, or I'm sorry, the Conversion Pros, aka TCP. Forgive me, guys. Definitely shout out to everybody hit the like button. Shout out to everybody hit the subscribe button and the notification button, guys. I really appreciate it. I definitely do. But let's get to it, guys. You may have been seeing a couple videos I put up of Dave, just sharing you some of the videos that we get inside of the Conversion Pros group, of insight, testimonials. We have a actual training group as well, where you're getting a lot of information out of the training group. So guys, there's so much that we're willing to offer you, and especially with these done for you ads. What I wanted to share was a lot of people that are using the done for you ads and seeing the success that they're having just off of those ads that you're getting, that we're helping you produce there. That's what I say, guys. I wanted to kind of help you guys. We want to stay focused from here all the way to Christmas here, because we want to earn Christmas cash. Okay, now depending on what you're promoting there, you want to build a sales funnel around it, so that way you can stay focused and just stick to your sales funnel and stick directly to the programs that you're promoting in that sales funnel. Don't get too crazy, don't get too greedy, because not everybody has money to just go through and just upgrade. The whole thing is that they want to live a different life. They want to live a successful life, so they don't have money to do a million things. Okay, so that's why we give you the Conversion Pros for 14 days for free, where you can check it. Now, if you're serious about your business and you're like, you know what, I like what I'm doing, I'm generating leads, I can see the vision here, then just go ahead and upgrade. Just do what you got to do. You know what I'm saying? The 14 days, like I said, this is for people that are, this the ones that want to sit back and say something is a scam or think something is a scam. So we're gonna give it for you, give it to you for 14 days for free. Test drive it, use our servers, use everything on us, and then you can pretty much, build a business with that on day one. That sounds like it sounds like a deal breaker to me, man. It sounds like something sounds like a deal breaker to me. Okay, so you want to be able to get in position in something like this, guys. Now, I have something that's already done for you. If you're interested, I have the Conversion Pros for a marketing system, and then I also have the income streams inside of it where you're able to earn instant commissions. I am going to be working on it because I'm going to be removing some things out, just because some people want to just keep it very simple, and simple is always best. So what we're going to do here, we're going to narrow it down. It's going to be the Conversion Pros, and it's going to be Easy One Up, where you're able to earn instant commissions. Now, both of these are going to be pretty much informational products, with Easy One Up being able to earn $25 all the way up to $2,000 in commissions, and those go directly into your account, your PayPal, your Cash App, your Bitcoin, Authorize.net, Stripe, whatever it is that you want to utilize, pretty much, right? So we're going to help you do that. And we're going to also teach you how to do this in the same time, So the whole goal is to learn while you earn. I have a lot of things in place where I'm able to help you generate leads and, pretty much go from there, guys. So it's all about you being in the right position, being set up, and getting position, taking that leap of faith as well. We can sit here every day and tell you, oh, we're doing this, or commission came in, or we got paid here, but that's all cool. But if you're not doing it with us, why do you want to hear it? If you want to just sit there and keep watching this, that's cool and all, but eventually some people want to get involved and start getting their own thing moving, and that's all we encourage you to do. We're really just encouraging you to do your own thing, man. Get in and really start trying to live a life of abundance and make money, man. Be able to do things differently with your family. Take them out, have fun, and just enjoy life. At the end of the day, that's what we want to do. We want to stop trading time for wages, and we just want to spend more time with our family and enjoy. And sometimes that's what we work hard for, guys, and we position ourselves to have. There's no point, there's some people out here with degrees and don't even have jobs in their field. They say, hey, you need a good this job degree or equal or experience or so like that. So it's like, you better hope your degree is going to get you in, because a lot of times now companies want experience over degrees. I'm just going to be honest. It's just crazy like that. So here's the thing, guys. I'm going to leave everything down at the bottom. You know the drill. Hit the link at the bottom to check it out. If you have questions, reach out to me. That way I can answer any questions or concerns you may have. And we can go from there, guys. So I look forward to working with you. I look forward to helping you build your business. Also getting those daily checks, weekly, those daily deposits, or those weekly checks as well. So let's get it, man. This your boy Jay. I'm out. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Until the next video, peace.